The 2021 Toyota Sienna's key visual features are its massive front grille, shapely angled headlights, and aggressive rear fender details that mimic the Highlander SUV. The new Sienna also comes in 5 uniquely styled trims: LE, XLE, XSE, Platinum, and Limited. The new Sienna is powered by a standard 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine and 2 electric motors, or 3 electric motors with the all-wheel drive option. Unlike the Chrysler Pacifica Hybrid though, you never need to plug in the Toyota in. It's a similar setup to what you get in sibling crossovers like the RAV4 Hybrid, but here it produces 243 horsepower and returns up to 33 miles per gallon combined. It can even tow up to 3,500 pounds in the right spec. The Sienna has 4 distinct driving modes: EV, Normal, Eco, and Sport. Sport mode, Toyota says, unlocks extra boost from the hybrid setup, while the Eco mode limits battery power for extra efficiency. And as mentioned before, the Sienna also gets an available all-wheel drive system.